Welcome to this video. My name is Herbert and today we'll be talking about how we can be able to set up simple ads that can help us convert. So this video is mainly for beginners or people that want to learn how to run ads on themselves so that they can be able to get the best result. This video will be details like that. You'll be getting everything in that. If this is the first time that you are seeing me, my name is Herbert and I talk about meta ads and how you can be able to use it to increase our sales and visibility online. And if you are continuous user of my content, thank you very much for coming back again. Don't forget to subscribe so that you keep seeing more of my videos. So let's dive straight into the ads manager. Now the first thing we'll be doing here is to click on the create sign here, the create sign, right? When you click on it, it will open a page for us where we'll be choosing the campaign objective. If you are a beginner, then this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. And I'll be explaining everyone into detail. Awareness means that you are trying to run an ad to people so that they can know you and remember you, right? Then the traffic is for people to come and see your landing page, come click and do any necessary thing, especially clicks, right? So if you are looking for clicks, then you can use traffic. The engagement is for people to like, share, comment, and also you can accept messaging conversation using engagement ads. Leads is for people that are able to submit their contact details or have interest in the product, and you have to nurture them for them to be able to buy your product. Then the next one is app promotion. As it sounds already, when you want to promote an application, mobile application, this is the objective that you'll be using to run such an ad. Then the next one is sales, right? You want to sell a product. The best option is sales. But if you want to get messaging conversation, you can use these three: engagement, leads, and then sales to get it. Do not use traffic if you want to get sales. That's what I will tell you if you are a beginner. Do not use traffic. Use engagement, leads, or sales. And if you want to promote a product without people actually not messaging you, then use awareness, traffic, or engagement. And then don't choose messaging destination, rather choose on ad. We'll be talking deep about that in the video, so let's follow. The first thing I will do here is today I want to create an ad with the engagement objective. I'll be using the engagement objective and then I'll be clicking on continue. Now I'll allow it to load and then it will bring me to this place where it says manual campaign or advantage or tailored message campaign. I'll be taking the manual because I always like to set ads myself, which you can also do as a beginner in meta ads. Now the next thing that you have to do is to actually name your campaign. This actually depends on the product you are promoting. Today I would like to name it as I think I just want to add one to what already existed, but I can clear everything because I don't have time. I just want to add the number 11 to it, and then I can copy it and paste it at the other side, but I don't think it's necessary, so I'll be leaving it like that. So let's say you are selling a shoe. It can be shoe ad, it can be anything. I hope you get me. It can be shoe ad, it can be anything that you can label it so that you can see it next time and recognize it. Because of that, I'll be leaving this one like this. Now always let the buying type be at auction, do not change it. And then the objective that we are using is engagement, right? So we move here. Now our budget will be asset budget, but I would like to use campaign budget rather. I don't know why, but I want to use campaign budget today. And I want to set the campaign budget to be at $2. So if you are starting new, you can use $1 or 2. If you are in Nigeria, then you can use 1,600 naira. Depends on how the dollar changes, but today I would like to use $2. Don't be a beginner and then start using $10, right? Don't waste money. Please study first before you start jumping to run out with $5. Even this one they are telling me that my budget will not be enough, but I will not mind them. I'll continue what I'm doing. After this place, there's nothing much to do, so I'll go here and click on next. Now if I click on next, the next stage will be the ad set level, which means that I can be able to do other necessary things there. So take glue and then you'll be able to see what happens at the ad set level. Now that we are in the ad set level, we still have to name this ad set here, and what of time I'll still continue and put 11 here, and then I'll continue. Right now, the message destination is what you choose, but if you are looking for something else, you are not looking for people to message you directly, you want people to give you call, you can also choose it from here. Right, you can see call here. Right, you can choose on add to, you can choose website depending on what you want to do, but today I want to just choose call. Right, so I'll choose call, and this video you can apply, you can also choose message destination. I'll be getting, it depends on what you want to do. Don't follow me because I'm choosing call, but do what will give you result. If it is messaging conversation, please do that. Okay, now the next thing is that we'll be choosing this objective which will be maximum number of calls, and then the Facebook page name is Herbert number. I hope you can see it. Now the next thing is the budget schedule. Right, for the budget schedule, let's leave it for that because you have already selected it at the earlier. How we get me? You have selected it earlier. Now, if you want to choose a specific location for your ad, let's say you are in Ghana, but the product that you are promoting cannot only deliver it in a specific location, then this is what you use this location for. I hope you can see this location here. So you can come here, edit it. Instead of Ghana, you can choose just home, right? So I'll be teaching you how you can do that. So come here to see the browser here, and then you can type home here. So when you type O, it will appear O voter region, then you can pick O voter region. Then you can run this specific ad. I hope you can see it. Now, if you can add more, but I say that if you are beginner, then don't go more than 3 if you are choosing city, so I can get the best result. Or if you leave it broad, what happens is that the ads start costing less. But if you target it, because you are targeting it, the ad costs a bit. So I'll just leave this one. If you want more, you can add any other 2 big city to it. Right now, the next thing we'll be doing to here is to actually close this thing here, and then you can continue. Make sure that this sign tick here is always active. Right, and then you will be using advantage plus. You use advantage plus. Yes, the advantage plus means that you are giving the opportunity for Meta itself to determine who the ad should be shown to. I hope you get me. But you can decide that if you not do that, you will choose something else. I hope you get me. So you can do that. Now the next thing is to set the age range. Mostly I prefer that you leave it normal if you are a beginner. After that, the metrics will tell you which one is the ad is resonating with, right? So that you can be able to stick to it and make the best result out of it. The gender, if you are not selling a product that should be restricted to any gender, then don't be biased. Leave it like that. If you want to do detail targeting, you can come here and do detail targeting. In case you want to target, you do bags, right? You want to target people that sell bags, or people who have interest in bags. You can search it. You can see bags here, diaper bags, handbags, and other things. You can choose them. Choose like 3 maximum. I hope you get me. But it depends on you. Sometimes you have to experiment, right? Sometimes you have to experiment. So you can choose 1. You can choose 2, you can choose 3, right? So today I'll be choosing 1 for this video sake. So I'll be choosing 1 and then I'll continue. It depends on you what you want to do. Add transparency. There's nothing much to be done at add transparency. If you are not done your verification, you can do it, but let's leave it. It's not that necessary. The placement, you can leave it at advantage plus placement, or you can leave it at manual. Sometimes I prefer you using manual. Prefer you know that the audience you are looking for are not on the platform that you're looking for. So let's say this one like this, I can come for manual placement, and then I can off WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, right? I'll only allow Facebook and Instagram. The rest I'll off them. This is what I'll be doing here. So you can also do it. But if you leave it at advantage plus, meaning you are giving the chance for Meta to choose itself. So you can either choose manual placement or advantage plus. There's nothing much to do here, so you can move to the next, which is the ad level. This is where you do the pictures, ad copy, and other stuff. So I'll be talking brief about that when we reach that side. Now we are at this side where we'll be setting up the final stage of the ad. So you can name this ad here, and I'll still continue it to add just one to it, right? You can name it anything that fits purpose, right? Or something that you can remember. Remember, this one is just for tutorial sake. Now, what you'll be doing is that you can confirm the page here, you can confirm the Instagram account here, and then you can come and set up the ad here. Today I'll be using manual upload. You can even use flexible and other ones, but I would like to use manual, right? And then I'll be choosing just one single video or image here. You can change and use carousel if you are a beginner. The next thing is the destination, right? Remember, the what I'm really trying to do is that people will call me physically on the phone. So I will come here and then I'll put my country code. Let's say I am in Ghana, so I'll put 233 here. 233 will automatically come as Ghana, and then I will select it. If you are in Nigeria, 234, right? If you are in Guinea, choose your country code. The next thing is to put your contact here. So this is my contact detail here. I hope you have seen it already. I've scanned already, so I'll just put it here. So this is my contact detail. You can message me any point you are on WhatsApp if you want more information from me, right? So that's my contact detail. Now the next thing is that you can either enable backup request, but this thing is another setting that I may be talking about. I have a lot of videos on this. All you have to do is to go to the description of this video and you will get a lot of links that you can use to access more videos, right? What I would like you to do is to follow so that you won't miss my next episodes. Now as we continue, we come to the ad creative. The ad creative is the video or this one that we'll be using. Today I would like to use an image ad creative. So I'll be choosing an image for this ad. You can choose a video. Videos mostly work. That's what I want to tell you. But yes, just for descriptive purpose sake. So that's why I'm using an image. Videos work a lot. Videos work a lot. So always endeavor to use videos for ads and you get the best result out of it. So you are choosing something like this, right? Remember, this is just for descriptive purpose. So let's say I'm selling asana, right? In Ghana we call it asana or liha in language in Ghana. So I can choose this picture. When I choose it, it will be surrounded. I hope you can see that it is surrounded. Then I'll click on next. I'll crop it because it's already in one resolution. I don't need to crop it, so for me I'll be leaving it just as it is. I will not be cropping it, right? Now the next thing is to add the text, which I am yet to move to. So you can see it. This is the resolution that it will take, right? This is the resolution that you can take, but I will be leaving it. It's only, I think this one I should leave it as original, right? I should leave it as original. So this is how it will show. You can see it before you publish your ad as a beginner. The next one is to go to the text. Now the text ID is what I will tell you. A lot of you beginners, this is where you'll be missing out. I'll say write your ad copy before you start writing ad, before you open the ad manager. Why am I saying this? This is not the time where you have to be struggling and then writing ad copy. All you have to do is to go to your Google files or your Google document, your WPS, your Word document, and go and copy what you have written already and come and paste it here. Don't need to stress yourself in 2026 running ads, because it actually makes it very stressful if you are a beginner in running ads. So that's what I will tell you. So I'll be going to my WhatsApp. I'll be going to my WhatsApp. I have some files here, and then I'll be choosing a document that I want to use that I've created already. When I choose it, then you can go to copy it and then paste it in the primary text. Remember, the primary text is where we talk about the pain points of the client. So everything in the primary text is actually talking about the pain point of the client, and then the headline will be something that will actually capture people's attention. That's the purpose of the headline. Since my WhatsApp is delaying to take action, if it's not coming, all you have to do is to what you have already prepared, come and paste it here. I think I have some text, so I'll paste what I have already here, and then I can proceed, right? You can put at least 5 ad copies here. So that's what you have to know. You can put at least 5 here, but if you don't have it, you have to create it before coming. You see the mistake that I am making. My WhatsApp is not open. That's the biggest problem right now. So write it down and keep it somewhere safe, so that when you need it, all you have to do is come and copy it. Now you can also put the headline here, because the headline is something. So I'll say ready to buy, call us now, and then I can also put, let me say, copy this same thing here. The reason why I'm copying it because my WhatsApp refused to open. So I'll copy it and actually come and paste it here just to represent something. Now if you are doing it, please, if you are doing it, write the hard copy. I have written it but it just gets stuck, right? So that's what I want you to know. The next thing is to actually click on done, right? When you click on done, what happens is that you are done setting up the creative for your ad. That's one thing. So you can be able to see how the ad will appear before you actually publish it, right? So you can see it here. So you can see it here and everything detailed here, right? So that's how your ad will look like. So all you have to do from here is to actually move down. If you have anything to do, you do it. But if you don't have anything to do, then you can be able to click on the publish sign here, and then you have published your ad. So this is how you can run an ad and attract new people as a beginner, especially if you want to run an ad that will attract calls. I am Herbert, and I talk about how we can use meta ads to increase our sales and visibility online. If you're a beginner and you want more information, I think this is the best place for you. Follow this account for more content that will help you grow. See you in my next video.